Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Gantt chart in Excel. Open Excel and create a clear task table with start, duration, and end columns. Enter tasks, assign start dates, and set durations in days or weeks. Add simple dependencies if tasks must follow others. This keeps your project timeline accurate and easy to convert into a visual Gantt bar chart step by step. Start by calculating end dates with a formula that adds duration to start dates. Create helper columns for start offsets, where you subtract the project start date to get numeric values. Use a column for task lengths equal to duration. These numeric columns let Excel plot a stacked bar chart with an invisible lead series and a visible duration series, giving you precise control over bar positions and lengths. Select the offset and duration columns and insert a stacked bar chart. Make the offset series invisible so only duration bars appear, and reverse the vertical axis so tasks list top to bottom. Customize bar colors for phases or priorities, add data labels showing dates or durations, and adjust grid lines and axis formatting for readability. These tweaks transform a raw chart into a clear project timeline you can share with stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.